Hi everyone, my name is Idha Kristiana from Computer Science Department, Doctor of Computer Science, Binus University. And then we have also Fort Numban Gaul from Computer Science Department, Doctor of Computer Science, Binus University. And also Suhono Harso Sumpangkat from Faculty of Digital Communication and Hotel and Tourism, Institute of Technology Bandung. And then Beni Ranti, Computer Science Department, Faculty of Computer Science, Universitas Indonesia. And then we will share about the artificial intelligence driven conceptual framework to generate value from the data in the banking industry, a systematic review. And then the content of this presentation consists of introduction, theoretical foundation, methodology, result, and discussion. For the introduction, the background of the research about the artificial intelligence-driven conceptual framework to generate value from the data in the banking industry is likely to provide an overview of the customer state of the banking industry, focusing on the growing importance of data as a strategy asset. From there, we have the challenge about the, as a researchers, aim to identify the most effective AI-driven framework and methodologies that banks have employed to extract value from the data. And then the field of AI in the banking industry is rapidly evolving, and there might be gaps in the existing research and literature. And then the finding of the systematic review can offer valuable insight to banking executive, policymaker, and researchers. It can aid to making informed decision about AI adoption, investment in data analytic capability, and sharing and shaping the strategy, future strategy about the power of the data. For the theoretical foundation, the theoretical used to this research is about the advanced data analytics and then data management. We know about the advanced analytics. We have some approach like AI, artificial intelligence, and then sub of AI. We have the machine learning, and then sub of machine learning, we have the deep learning. And then we have the huge data and the big data implemented in the bank. So how we can use the data to generate value to us. That's all that will be the challenge for us. And then for the methodology, this research was carried out through the utilization of a systematic literature review by Kitchenham, consists of the review method, research question, and then research strategy, study selection, and data extraction and data synthesis, and then dissemination. Okay, and then for the research question itself, we have two research questions. And then the first one is, what are the challenges of artificial intelligence driven conceptual framework for generating value from data in the banking industry? And then for the second research question is, what are the key components of an artificial intelligence driven conceptual framework for generating value from data in the banking industry? And then for the inclusion, we just only research paper published from the year 2018 onward, and then only in English. Okay. For the methodology, the final selection of the primary studies comprised a total 25 publications. The chosen primary study was carefully examined to collect relevant data, information, and insight that contribute to addressing the research questions. Okay, this is the result for artificial intelligence driven conceptual framework challenges. We have 5 challenges, and then banks struggle with an AI driven conceptual framework for advanced analytics, consists of data quality and integrity. Okay, why data quality and integrity will be the matter for the framework? Because yeah, the data is scattered. Bank has many applications. Bank has many touch point, and some touch point from structured and unstructured data, like telesales. We use the audio to do the analytics, and then KYC process using the video for analytics, and then from the social media, what the sentiment customer about the banking product, and some data, structured data from the transaction behavior, and sometimes they need to enrich their data from the external. Yeah, maybe they can contact to the aggregator to enrich their data, but the policy, the regulations will be careful. We cannot share the individual information data about our customer to external, because under the law, okay, the data quality and integrity will be the challenge. And then the second is data privacy, security, and accessibility, because this is bank, the trusting from customer will be number one priority. Yeah, trust from our customer will be one priority. So bank try to keep their best to do the data privacy and security and accessibility. And the challenge is the higher data privacy and security, and then the harder data can be accessed. And then how the analytics team can access the data with the high privacy and security. No, that's one thing. Okay, I found it as a challenge. And then for the third one is infrastructure capability to convert the data, convert the data, the big data, to generate value from to the bank. It needs the tools. Yeah, it needs tools. So infrastructure capability, infrastructure in the bank will be the matters. Okay, and then voice data governance and regulatory compliance. Oh yeah, everything in bank regulated by regulator, and in bank itself they have the governance, regulatory compliance, they have legal, they have risk, they have a security, and then they have compliance. We have everything that we run by the system, or everything. Yeah, a use case, or we want to do the analytics, everything we need comply with the bank regulatory. Okay, and then the challenge number 4 is about the talent and expertise. Most people maybe has understanding. Yeah, most of people have understanding about the Python or R, or they can use the Cloudera big data, they can using Spark or something like that. But yeah, the challenge is about the data literacy, the understanding about the data itself, understanding about the business itself. So from the AI driven analytic, not just only about we have the data, well, we train the data, we cleanse the data first, and then train, and then test, and then okay, we define the model. No, yeah, but we have to see about the business perspective. Yeah, business side, business objective. So, and the expertise mean they have understanding about the technical, they have understanding about the scientific of the data, yeah, or data scientist, but they need to understand about the business also, so they can provide the best solution. Okay, and next, about key component artificial intelligence driven concept frameworks. And then I try to summarize the key that what I found from the literature will be 4: exploration, classification, protection, and value. Okay, and the table shows how effective the implementation of AI-driven concept and advanced analytic by putting the different EZPV. Yeah, exploration, classification, protection, and value. Exploration means to provide the good AI performance means we need to explore our availability of the data, and then classify, this is config or not config, and then protection, how to protect all the process, and then the final is with the how this process will produce the high value for the bank. Okay. From the result, this is what I found: data privacy and security are essential to prevent unwanted access, data breach, and regulatory non-compliance. Banking organization must balance data security with analytic accessible, protecting sensitive customer information, and ensuring compliance with the data privacy regulatory is a major challenge in implementing an AI-driven conceptual frameworks, like I mentioned before, yeah. And then bank needs to establish robust data privacy and security measure to save customer data while enabling advanced analytics. And then the balancing, and this is the balancing data accessibility and security become critical to maintain trust and regulatory compliance. So from the picture, show about the high security and less accessibility, but for the high accessibility, less security. So strategy is to balance through the data governance. Okay, and then this is the result also, yeah, about the customer centric, because in this paper or presentation title is about AI driven decision makings, and then who will decide, absolutely, and the decision maker is a customer, yeah, customer, because bank can over everything, but who decide is customer. Okay, that's why this is the customer centric analytics. Yeah, this is customer, and then from the traditional bank, they try to the transform to the digitalization, and then if we are talking about digitalization, about the touch point, they some banks use the like mobile banking application or internet banking application, yeah, to reach their customer, to more engage with customer. So from this, I provide EUAA, stand for explore, understand, action, and engage. Uh, of capability development to generate business value through customer-centric analytics. Explore mean from the AI embedded in mobile apps. They can provide a profile about the customer. Me as customer, we can understand about me more by the AI provided to us. And then because they explore about me and I understand about myself, and then the AI application can suggest some action, maybe they over me to invest in well product or something like that. And then as a customer, if I think that's okay, this mobile app with AI embedded, usable and profitable for me, and I will engage with this product, means I will engage with this bank. So this means the customer-centric analytics. And okay, a customer-centric analytic built under the analytic engine. With the support of the analytic engine, customer touchpoints such as mobile apps can provide customer with insight so that they can do more than just make transfer, payment, and purchase. They also explore their profile to better understand themselves and make decisions that provide them with value. And then this the big picture of the framework, fundamental component of ECPV and AUAE for AI-driven conceptual framework. We have data collection. Data collection makes sure the data available because the data is gathered, data structure and unstructured, and then how to about the data management. Data management talking about the architecture, modeling, storage, management, master data, metadata. That's all the process to data collection, data management to make sure the data quality. And then from there, because this is bank with the higher policy, regulatory, and compliance, make sure the legal, privacy, compliance, classification, data access control, loss prevention, backup and recovery. Okay, and that's this both of these, yeah, from the data management to data policy, I call it the data security. We have to make it secure because this is a bank, yeah. And then data delivery. Data delivery means how to deliver. Data delivery means not just send the data node, but the value from the data. We provide it to the reporting and analytics. Reporting means descriptive analytic, like using the dashboard, yeah, dashboard or yeah, business intelligence. But for the analytics, yeah, use advanced analytic like AI, machine learning, and deep learning. And then some use cases approach using AI, deep learning, and machine learning is like segmentation, customer segmentation. We can do in the clustering, profiling, and recommendation system, recommendation engine, collaborative filterings, and then cross-selling and upselling, customer acquisition and attrition prediction. We can predict customer who will be churns, and then credit default and financial fraud predictions. Some bank has like credit scoring model. Yeah, that's all the data accessibility. Make sure the data can be accessed by the data scientist or engineer to deliver the value. Okay, and then on top of this, all processes customer-centric analytics, as I mentioned before, how to make our customer, how customer can explore their self and then understand their self, do action by their self because system already suggest many things gitu ya, and then how to engage with them, with more engage with bank product. Okay, that's all the framework, and then the conclusions. By adopting the APC, ACP3, and AUAE framework, bank can effectively manage their data, ensure data security, privacy, and compliance, and maximize the value derived from their data asset. This framework offers the structured methodology for optimizing data management practice and leveraging advanced analytic in the banking industry, and this research contribute to advancement of AI-driven decision making and operational efficiency in the banking industry. That's all about that's all. Thank you.